Willax.
Baby bones. Baby bones.
Look at Mac Dog, dude, shining in the light.
Oh yeah, living my dream. 5 a.m. wake up with the boys. That's a heavy dream. My dream being in early on the ferry wave. Right when it crashed.
Here we go. We got Kev on the lens, holding it down for a little bit. Gravy's claiming I'm gonna be cold. Think I'm gonna be cold, dude?
I'm gonna be cold. Let alone you.
I think I'm good, dude.
Dude, I don't even know why I went on hyperflexusa.com and purchased this 10 gravy wetsuit.
Product placement.
And everything with...
Bro, nice board.
Yeah. Nice club.
Last time I seen you was Costa Rica, bro.
No.
chest is bleeding. I've never been colder. And Kevin just gave me, what is this? A little top, spring suit top?
Spring suit top.
And I doubled up. There's a left coming off down the other side here that looks like nobody's on, so we're gonna go try to grab a couple lefts before we wrap this session up. And Jamal's about to roll up any second. Heavy. Come up, and look who we got.
Your boy. What is this thing, dude? It's got wax on it. Resin the fins in. This one's broken.
Oh,
These ones are good though. The whole thing is this crazy material. His resin job is wild. I'm about to just go surf it real quick.
Found in the back of this garbage truck driving on the sand right now. Ew!
My dog.
This guy.
Can I just go rip this thing real quick?
Get a turn in. Get a quick turn in. All right, session number one, way better than we could have ever imagined. Also way cooler than we ever could imagine. Gravy was spot on. That was remarkable. Kendrick, getting the shots. Love to see it. We gotta get some wetsuits today though, apparently. And we're about to go get a smoothie, maybe an acai bowl. One of our homies owns the Happy Hippo, I believe it's called, here in Jersey. And we're gonna show some love to this place. I've never been here before. Wow. It wasn't the Happy Hippo, it's the Healthy Hippo. Woo, cracking off right now, dude. Jamal's already here?
Yeah.
What? Drip Lord. What are we getting?
You're getting some kind of acai bowl.
Yo,
It's like really difficult.
What
Your
up, man?
boy, dude!
What's going on, dude?
Dude, first timer.
Yeah, well, welcome to the Hippo.
Insane,
My
dude.
girlfriend Rebecca.
What's
Rebecca,
up?
Casey.
Ooh. How's your neck, bud?
About to be a lot better. About to be alright.
Damn, olives in there, dude.
Dog?
That would be the coolest thing about being a drummer. Like, yo, it's
Oh my god, it's so light.
the Blue Spirulina, the Healthy Hippo special. You love to see it.
You tempt me with a good time.
know how to parallel park?
I do not know how to parallel park.
Shocker.
Jay Bern with the drive-by acai.
Yeah, acai. Well, you know, I got the hookup. Oh, look at this. Hand delivered and everything.
Yep, absolutely.
Dude, dang. And peanut butter.
Yeah, peanut butter on there, you know? Everybody loves peanut butter. If anybody's here, where are they going?
Oh, to the Healthy Hippo. Follow him on Instagram at the Healthy Hippo 609.
Bro, with the to-go, look at the spirulina on her. Thank you, Rocky. Thank you, Healthy Hippo. We got a little afternoon hiatus, little siesta action, and then we're back out there. Yeah, bro.
What, dog?
What's good?
Chilling, bro. I got the threes yesterday on the surfboard. Proper.
You're kidding.
It was so fun, bro. Dude, the three. I got them 3 in a row.
On the wake.
See it. We gotta go to the session.
Are we linking next week?
I think I'm trying, dude. Trying to get out there Thursday, but I
Bro,
gotta start crushing it.
Let's go, dude. Thursday's going off all the way for like the next 10 days after that.
Surfing?
Yeah, we can snowboard a little.
On the boat or in the ocean?
In the ocean, dude.
That's kind of gnarly, dude. I'm ready. Well, sick, bro. Where you at? Are you flying down?
I'm in Jersey.
You're in Jersey. Are you getting barreled?
I'm trying, bro. Tomorrow, hopefully. Tomorrow. All right, well, hit me up. Try to book a flight. Let's get back in the RV. I need somebody to help drive the 4Runner.
All right. When are you coming back?
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah, buddy.
All right.
How we looking?
It's looking like we can find something, definitely.
Out here? Wow. That was an insane shot, dude. I've never seen so many humans. Update. It's blown out everywhere. It's really small. None of this was expected whatsoever, but the fact that it's breaking so close to shore, it's surfable. We're here and there's only one person in the water. We're gonna suit up, we're gonna get out there. And I wanna apologize for the last surf session for me and Gravy looking so similar and wearing the same color top. Just know if it was absolutely radical, it was Gravy. If it needed some improvement but was like decent to watch, it was your boy. What's your claim on the sash, dude?
Oh man, it's looking right.
Wow. Crowbar on the job right now with an orange shirt?
Yeah, union job.
You love to see it. Kev's already out there. Here we go. Camera battery died maybe 20 minutes in. Shout out to Crowbar, literally out here in the crazy wind and the crazy cold, filming with my iPhone on the beach in the dark. At least we can see it.
Yeah, I fish.
But literally, that's when you know it's the most fun. It's when it's just smashing on shore and it's windy and it's crazy. And you're just charging through the night in the dark with your boys. Dude, best it's ever been.
100 wave session.
100 waves.
Literally, dude. This guy, what's good, bro?
Hey, what's up? Boys are getting shack, I'm getting smoked. What else is new?
How we doing, bud?
Good.
How we doing?
You're fucking amazing. I'm cool.
It literally ended up not even being cold. Body temps are high. Shout out to Crowbar though. This kid really is a trooper. Yeah.